In this video, I'll teach you how to add a LinkedIn feed in Wix. Since this isn't available through Wix itself, we do need to use an external website to add this, but it's completely free of charge and you don't need to sign up with any credit card information. So if you want to learn how to add something like this to your Wix website, just keep on watching. The first step is to go to elfstart.com. I've added a link for this website in the video description that is going to take you to this exact page. And once you're on this page, you simply need to go up to widgets here. And on the social, you can see we have LinkedIn feed right here. So go ahead and click there and now click on this big pink button. This takes you down to this kind of template builder where we can start designing our widget. So as you can see, we have quite a few options to choose from over here, but you're not limited to the looks of it. You can, for example, go ahead and customize it by adding new colors, a different font, and more. But just go ahead and choose a design that's close to what you're kind of looking for. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead with this carousel option here. Another really cool feature is that you can interact with it and see how it's going to work on your website. So this is a carousel, so this is how it works. And you can also see how it's going to work when you click on it. So this is going to have this kind of pop-up so you can scroll through all of the posts that you have on your LinkedIn. But I'm just going to go ahead with this option here and click continue down here. Now from here, you need to start by adding your LinkedIn URL. So in this case, I'm just going to take Sephora here, copy the link up here, go back to Elf site and insert it and click apply and then just wait for a moment. As you can see, it pulled it up pretty quickly, but it might take a little while longer depending on how many posts you have. And from here, we can start customizing it. So if you want to add a filter, you can go ahead and click here where you can, for example, go ahead and add keywords or choose specific posts to highlight here in this widget. And if you want to change the layout of it, you can go ahead and click on the left-hand side right here where you can choose a different layout if you'd like. So you can also go ahead and adjust the width and you can even add a header with some text if you'd like here. And if you want to customize the post a bit, you can go ahead and click on post over here where you have kind of a few different options to choose from. So if you want something more simplistic like this is a great option, but go ahead and choose something that you like for your website. And another thing is that when you click on it, you can see we have a pop-up box here, but you can also go ahead and change it to open in a new tab, which is going to open it as a LinkedIn page. So this is going to direct people directly to your LinkedIn, which is great if you'd like more people to go onto your LinkedIn page. You can also go ahead and choose the pop-up style if it should be a feed or classic. So as you can see before, it was like a feed where I scroll down and now it's going to be scrolling to the side. And lastly, if you want to change the looks of it, you can go ahead and click on appearance over here where we have loads of customization options. Two things I would do is to go ahead and add a background and change the font. I will change the font because for some reason on Wix, it changes it to Times New Roman, even though it's supposed to apply it from the website. So you have a default font on your website, and this is what it's supposed to adjust to. So it's similar to what is on your website already. But for some reason, it doesn't work. So what I would suggest if you like the text over here is to choose Arial, because for some reason, it doesn't use this text here. I think it is a custom LSAT font. So just go ahead and choose Arial. And as you can see, it's pretty similar. It's just a bit more bold. As you can see, this is before and this is after. And for the background, if you have an image as a background where this is going to be, it might look really busy. So I would go ahead and choose a background, which is the same color as what's on your website. Because right now there's no background right here, even though it looks white. So basically, go ahead and choose a color here. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead with a basic white, but you can even add a gradient, an image, or a video if you want to. Lastly, you can also go to settings here where you have some more customization options. So if you know coding, you can go ahead and add some more code to it if there's anything else you want to add to it. But yeah, this is pretty much it. And once you're ready to add this to your website, you can go ahead and click add to website for free. Now, in your case, you're going to have a sign up page where you can sign up with your Gmail account or similar. And from there, you're going to get taken to the exact same page as I am landing on right now. This is the exact same template builder. So if you're happy with everything you've done, you don't need to do anything else. This is the exact same template builder. So if you're happy with what you've done so far, you don't need to do anything else. Now, to add this to your website, go ahead and click publish up here. And from here, we get taken to the page where we need to choose our plan. Now, because this is completely free, you just need to choose this one right here by clicking select. And now we get taken to the page where we need to copy the code right here. Now we need to head back to our Wix website designer. So go back here, and now I've just created a big white section here, but go ahead and add it where you'd like it. And then click on add elements up here, click embed code, popular embeds, and embed HTML. Now, if you have any code in here, just delete it so it's completely blank, and then insert the code we just copied and click update. Just wait a moment, it's just going to take a while to load like this, and then click away from it, and now we can adjust it to our page like this. So just make it wide enough like this, and in the middle. And now we have LinkedIn on our Wix website. So that's pretty much how simple it is to add LinkedIn to your website in Wix. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you out.